Another issue which has come up to my surprise, and I've spoken to my Republican colleagues about their fascination with it, is the notion of the composition of the Supreme Court, which euphemistically is referred to as court packing. I have said on the floor, and I will repeat here, there is exactly one living senator who has effectively changed the size of the Supreme Court. That was the Republican leader, Senator McConnell, who shrank the court to 8 seats for nearly a year in 2016 when he blocked President Obama's nomination of Merrick Garland. Now, that question on court packing was posed to Amy Coney Barrett, Justice in the court, when she appeared before this committee. She was asked about it. She said, and I quote, "could not opine on it." And on many other policy issues, then Judge Barrett said repeatedly she could not share her views, stating, and I quote, "I will not express a view on a matter of public policy, especially one that is politically controversial, because that is inconsistent with the judicial role." I do believe we should have rules and traditions and precedents, but we shouldn't have a separate set of rules for Republican nominees and Democratic nominees. So Judge Jackson, if a senator were to ask you today about proposals about changing the current size of the Supreme Court, what would your response be?
Senator, I agree with Justice Barrett in her response to that question when she was asked before this committee. Again, my North Star is the consideration of the proper role of a judge in our constitutional scheme. And in my view, judges should not be speaking to political issues, and certainly not a nominee for a position on the Supreme Court. So I agree with Justice Barrett.